Hi everybody, this is Miss Becky from the Allegheny County Extension Office. If you've been watching Miss Tammy's Tuesday Tips, you saw that she's been doing some at-home physical activity with some things that you might have around your house. So today I'm going to show you how to make some of those things that she showed in her video. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to do the fitness dice that she made. So the way that these work is that you have something on each side of the box and you roll it just like a giant die, and it tells you what exercise you're going to do. So for this project, I have 2 square tissue boxes. You can use any kind of square box that you might have at home, so anything that you can find is going to work just fine. I have some construction paper to make our labels for the sides. I have a glue stick that I'm going to use to stick on our little labels. I have some markers to draw my numbers and my activities. And I have some scissors, of course, to cut out the paper to size. So that should be all that you need. Maybe grab a parent to help you with some scissors, but other than that, this is a really simple project that you can do at home and kind of mix up your routine a little bit and stay active. Alright, so to start, we're going to take one of our boxes and we're going to just cut down our paper to size. So I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to trace my box. And then we're going to cut that out, and we're going to do that once for each of these big sides. So I'm going to need 4 this size. And I'm going to need 2 of the smaller for this top and the bottom. So we're going to cut all those out, and then I'll come back to you when I am ready to label them. All right, so now I have all of my little pieces of paper cut to size. So I'm going to go ahead, so one of the boxes is going to be numbers 1 through 6, and the other one is going to be our exercises. So on this one I'll do my numbers, so each side, just like a regular die with one of your board games or anything like that, it's going to get a number. So we'll do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then on the other one, we're going to put our exercise names. And you can use any exercises that you want. So if there's something that you especially like, maybe from gym class or anything like that, you can pick your own. Anything that you want to try out, you can put on here. So we'll do maybe toe touches. I think Miss Tammy showed you arm circles in her video. Push-ups. Some jumping jacks. Knee bends, and crunches. Like I said, those are just examples, but you can use anything that you want. If there's something that you like to do or something that you want to try out, then this is a good time to try those exercises out. So now that we have them all labeled, you can actually decorate them if you want to. So at this point, if you want to color on them, if you want to get some crayons or some markers, I have some stickers here. So I'm just going to add a couple little stickers. I have some healthy carrots that I'm going to add. Put some carrots on there, and an apple. What else do I have? Maybe a strawberry. But you can do anything that you want with your little numbers and your labels. You can decorate them or color on them or you draw a picture. Anything that you want to do just to have fun with it. You can do that now, and then we're going to attach them to the boxes. Okay. So we have all of our sides labeled and got some stickers on there. You can, like I said, you can do whatever you want with those to kind of have fun. But we're ready to assemble our fitness dice now. So you can either use glue or you can use tape. Either one works just fine. If they're full boxes of tissues, you might want to tape them instead, just so that then you can peel it off when you're done. But if you have some empty boxes or something that you don't really care, you can glue them right on, and that works just fine too. So I'm just going to take my glue stick and we're going to glue these on. So this is my other little one. And then just continue around all the sides until they're all stuck on. And remember, all your numbers go on one, and then all your exercises are going to go on the other one. Okay, so I'm all done gluing. So all of my sides are covered, my little activities and my numbers. So once your glue is dry, these are ready for you to use. And remember from Tammy's video, you just toss them, and whatever you land on, that's your activity. So my first one would be 2 toe touches. So there you go, and like I said, you can get creative with these. You can change the activities later on if you want to try something different, but this is a fun way to kind of have a game and also stay active. Thanks, guys.